In this video, I'll be sharing with you various interesting scholarship opportunities for international students in Australia. These scholarships are open for 2024 academic section in all study areas for students pursuing their undergraduate and graduate programs. The scholarship ranges from 50% to up to 100% full scholarships for the duration of your degree program. I would also be sharing with you other possibilities of how to access other scholarships open in this university. So please consider watching this video till the end. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button to join the SmartBiz family. You now have the possibility of joining the channel's membership levels to access its different benefits. So please do well to check it out. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. The first interesting scholarship is the Melbourne International Undergraduate Scholarship. This particular scholarship is offered to high-achieving international students who completed their secondary education outside Australia, or if you did your foundation studies in Australia and you are enrolling in undergraduate degree. And no application is required. You'll be automatically considered for this award once you submit your application at the University of Melbourne. We'll come to that in a bit. And this particular scholarship is open to all international students in all study areas. And the number of scholarships awarded for this particular scholarship is approximately 1,000. So 1,000 scholarships will be awarded to international students who will be applying to the Melbourne International Undergraduate Scholarship. So I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. Let's look at the benefits of this scholarship. The scholarship will provide either a 10,000 Australian dollar tuition fee remission in the first year of an undergraduate degree, or a 50% fee remission for the 3-year duration of an undergraduate degree, or 100% fee remission for the 3-year duration of an undergraduate degree. So depending on the class you fall into, you will either be receiving a 10,000 Australian dollars or a 50% fee remission for 3 years, or a 100% fee remission for 3 years. And all of these benefits are irrespective of your study program. So all undergraduate study programs are eligible for this scholarship. Regarding eligibility and selection criteria, it says to be eligible for this scholarship, you must be a citizen of a country other than Australia and New Zealand and not a permanent resident of Australia. You must have completed secondary education outside Australia or a foundation program in Australia. You must have received an unconditional offer for an undergraduate course at the University of Melbourne. So first things first, you must first of all apply for admission at the University of Melbourne. We'll come to that in a bit. You must have a secondary school result that places you in the top 3%, such as in these following areas listed here, depending on your country of origin. And you must not have previously undertaken any tertiary studies. And this is the selection criteria. You can do well to read that through. And the condition of this particular scholarship is that it can be deferred to the following calendar year and is subject to the coursework scholarship terms and conditions. So do well and read these terms and conditions carefully to understand more about this particular scholarship. And for the application process, it says students will be automatically considered for this scholarship. And regarding your outcome, it says you will receive an outcome within 2 to 3 weeks. And to submit your study application, all you have to do is to come to the University of Melbourne website. Then you scroll through. You can either search here to find a course, or you simply click on undergraduate courses. And right here, you can find courses based on your study area. If you're in the field of architecture, humanities and social sciences, business and economics, education, engineering, environment, health, information technology and computer science, law, music, sciences, veterinary, agriculture, and food sciences. So depending on your faculty, you simply click on it to explore more. To explore other scholarship options available at the University of Melbourne, all you simply have to do is to click on this button here, then you see View All Scholarships. So you click on View All Scholarships. And right here, you can see it says we found 1,108 scholarships available. Mind you, these scholarships are for both indigenous and international students. So what you basically have to do is to filter for the ones that are for international students. And right here, you can also filter based on the ones that are closing soon, highest value, based on numbers awarded. So depending on what is your option, you can choose that. So I'm going to filter for the ones that are closing soon. Let's have a look. Right now, you can see we have 126 scholarships that are closing soon. All you basically have to do is to click on each of these links and read through them to see if it's open to international students. Basically, you see if it is in line with what you're looking for. Similarly, you can also go to the website and streamline your search if you don't want to see all the entire scholarships. If you want to see only scholarships open to international students. Basically, here I already filtered for scholarship for undergraduate students, for international students, for students in engineering starting a course in 2024. And based on this filter, I found 17 scholarships. So basically, you can say the first scholarship is already closed in 28th of November. And the second one, which is the one I just spoke about, which is the Melbourne International Undergraduate Scholarship. And this is an automatic consideration and it's open to all study areas. And the award is approximately 1,000 awards. And the next one is the Newman Scholarship. So all you have to basically do is to click on this link to direct you to the web page. Then you read more regarding these scholarships. So there are tons of scholarships listed here that you could take advantage of. There are high performance sports scholarship for those interested in sports. It's still open until the 11th of March 2024, and you're going to be getting 7,000 Australian dollars. And this is open in all study areas. They also have the Melbourne Humanitarian Access Scholarship. But right here, you can see this one is already expired, and this was a full scholarship. So that is why I said this is an opportunity for you to have this website. I'm going to be linking it down in the description box so that you can have access to these and be checking this once it's open. You can also stay tuned to the channel because I'll be making videos once they are open for application next year. For example, the Australian Award Scholarship will be open on the 1st of February 2024. You can also apply to the John Hall Scholarship. This is currently open until the 22nd of March 2024, and the value is up to 13,000 Australian dollars. Open to all study areas. They also have the Melbourne Chancellor Scholarship. This is also an automatic consideration and the value is up to 32,000 Australian dollars. Open to all study areas. Basically, this is how you can filter for scholarship in your respective field of study so that you can basically see what is open for you and how you can track them. So if you're an engineering student starting your course in 2024, you have a total of 17 scholarships open and available for you to take advantage of. So you can do well and filter based on your degree so that you see the scholarships open for you. And as always, I would encourage you to come to their frequently asked questions at the University of Melbourne's webpage to go through the questions to understand more about this university and its scholarship opportunities. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.